how to remove all viruses from your Windows 10 or 11 PC without any third-party software. So first thing what you want to do is just search in for disk cleanup. So here what we are doing is cleaning up any of the removable temporary files. So basically select any of the files. If there is no files you want to restore in recycle bin, just select that as well, and it will automatically delete all of the temporary junk files which is not needed in your PC. So once you do all of that, second thing what we want to do is just click on search bar and just search in for MRT, which is the official free application or software provided from the Windows itself. So you don't have to download any of the third-party application to remove viruses. So you can basically open it just like this. So once you open this application, you will get three options. Once you click on choose next, and you can see one is a quick scan, one is a full scan, and one is a customized scan. So I prefer full scan because it will take a look at every single thing on your every single file on your PC. So it's most trustable, and just click on next, and once you complete it, you can simply install and close the window from over here. So for now I'll just cancel it because I've already done it, and click on finish. So next thing what you want to do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and open it, and just search in for Malwarebytes download. So you just have to download the Malwarebytes software. It's a great software to actually remove malware, because we also have to remove malware from our PC or laptop, and for that this is a great tool. So you can just install it and just open the application to quickly get started. It's an easy process to get started, and just hit the detect option on your application after downloading it successfully, and all of your malware as well as your viruses will be removed from your PC or laptop, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.